Dear brothers and sisters, if you are performing Hajj Ifrat, now I would like to go through some major items. In Hajj Ifrat, you should be aware of 11 items. But the top 5 major items are, you must be wearing the ihram. You can do Tawaf Qudum, which is a sunnah. It's not a must, but it is a sunnah. You have to do Tawaf Ziyara, it is a rukun, Tawaf al-Ifada or Tawaf al-Hajj. You have to do Hajj Sa'i is also a rukun, that if it's not done before any Tawaf. Then last thing that you have to do is Tawaf al-Wida. Let's go in more detail about Hajj Ifrat. If you're doing Hajj Ifrat, you can do Tawaf Qudum, is a sunnah, it's not a must. After any Tawaf, you can do Hajj Sa'i before 8th of Zul Hajjah. Or you can do Hajj Sa'i on 10th of Zul Hajjah. You have a choice. But you must go to Mina on 6th or 7th of Zul Hajjah, or no later than noon on 8th of Zul Hajjah. You must be in ihram in Mina. You must read 5 salah in Mina: Salatul Zuhur of 8th of Zul Hajjah, Asr, Maghrib, Isha, and Fajr of 9th of Zul Hajjah. On the morning after sunset, you go on 9th of Zul Hajjah to Arafat, which is Yawm al-Hajj. And then you make all the dua in Arafat. You stay in Arafat till the sunset. You do not read Salatul Maghrib in Arafat. In Arafat, you read Zuhr and Asr combined. The most important thing is you make dua for everybody, for whole Muslim Ummah. Then after sunset, you go to Muzdalifah. In Muzdalifah, you read Maghrib and Isha together, and you sleep in Muzdalifah. Then you get up at Fajr time, you read Fajr. Then when the sun rises, you go to Mina. When you go to Mina, the first thing what you do, you stone the biggest shaitan, which is at the end when you're going to Mina. When you're coming from Muzdalifah, you will see the first shaitan is the small one. Then you see the middle shaitan. Then you will see the biggest one. So a lot of people make mistake, and as soon as see the first shaitan, they throw the stone. That's wrong. You must wait till the end and then stone the biggest shaitan on 10th of Zul Hajjah. After stoning the shaitan, you shave your head. If not, you can cut your hair also. Prophet ﷺ prayed 3 times for the person who shaved the head. There is no slaughtering of the animal, or there is no qurbani in Hajj Ifrat for you. So dear brothers and sisters, these are the major items that you have to follow. And then on 11th and 12th of Zul Hajjah, after Salatul Zuhur, you have to stone all 3 shaitan. 7 stones on each shaitan. So in summary, what do you have? You have 2 tawaf, Tawaf al-Hajj and Tawaf al-Wida, and 1 Sahi, Hajj Sahi. May Allah make your Hajj easy and acceptable. Thank you.
لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك.